morning everyone. Today we continue our trip deep in the countryside of Brazil, here in Minas Gerais, and we come to a place called Capitolio. We came from Tiradentes yesterday. Took about around 4 or 5 hours to drive here, so quite a bit of driving. And we've arrived at a place that has a trail now to 3 different waterfalls. So it's called Trilha do Sol, which means Trail of the Sun, and it's 40 reais per person to enter, but you can do a combo deal because they have a restaurant up there. So for 80 reais you can pay for the entrance to all 3 waterfalls and also for your lunch. So yeah, we did that, 80 reais per person. It'll end up cheaper that way. Hey Carol, how far is the trail, you know?
I think it will take 3 hours to go and come back, and I think the guy said it's almost 4 kilometers.
Okay, oh that's pretty quick then, right?
Yeah.
3 hours for all the 3 waterfalls.
Yeah.
So about 10 minutes of walking, we've arrived at the first spot here. Well, we still got to head down the stairs, but yeah, I think it's that pool over there. You can see a little falls. Kind of in like a canyon here. Got these big walls. How steep are these steps?
Very steep. My knees don't like it.
Yeah, they have good knees. So I think it's like a bunch of little pools in this river. This already looks really beautiful. Looks pretty deep here, you could probably dive. Got a nice little waterfall there. So I think you can head both ways. Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's better than I expected. And this is just the first waterfall. We have 2 other ones to visit.
Yeah, and even besides the 3 we're visiting, this whole area of Capitolio, there's like hundreds of waterfalls.
Yeah, a lot of waterfalls. If you look on Google Maps, you see many waterfalls everywhere. And we had to choose some to visit, but there are many.
So we're gonna take our first dip now in this part. The watercolor here is kind of like a transparent light green, unusual color. And then got this beautiful little waterfall now. Even though it's the dry season, it's still flowing. I guess when it's raining this must be like a huge fall. It's still nice. Big pool as well, apparently you can swim all the way down there, so probably do that. Ice cold.
Yeah, it's very cold, the water, but at least it's sunny, so not that bad.
Oh man. Yeah, now that I've gone fully in, ice cold. Yeah, so it's cool, you can swim right between this canyon here, and I didn't realize there's another waterfall here, so whoa, there's a big waterfall at the back. Probably swim over there. Luís Vitor, bora! Wow, this part's even better.
Yeah.
Goes all the way to the back. Yeah, you can stand up right next to the fall as well. Ah, cool, there's another pool. Yeah, so this part here isn't the second waterfall, it's still considered the first waterfall. So the other two are completely separate from this place. But yeah, you do get pretty much more than one waterfall at this spot. Probably take a dip in here as well. I don't think I've ever seen a waterfall that color.
No, it's like green but yellowish.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
unusual. Yeah, so you can pretty much walk up all the waterfalls because there's not much rain. I guess this part would all be water when it's raining, but right now it's only at the side. Ah, yet another little pool. Check this one out. Yeah, that's probably the nicest one yet. I think you can jump in this one. Looks deep enough anyway. So the fall that we just went to is called No Limite, which was that way, and now we're going to the second one, which is called Cachoeira do Grito, and then the last one is also in that direction, Poço Dourado. So here it says Poço Encantado, the Enchanted Well. Bom dia. Yeah, so this first stop is the Enchanted Well, and then we'll go to the Poço Dourado soon, which means golden well. You gotta walk a bit through like a stream to get to that one. Super tranquil looking place as well. I think he said you can drink the water that's coming down here. You're allowed to drink it to cool down. Now I'm feeling the cold.
The fish.
What, the fish?
Going to...
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a foot massage. Yeah, so the pathway to the Golden Well is really cool. Gotta walk through all this. People have been making these little like sculptures out of the rocks. Everywhere, the whole wall is like that. Wow, this looks really cool. So this is it. Unfortunately, we came at the wrong time. You gotta come at 12 o'clock when the sun's peeking through properly, and then all this will be golden. Right now you can only see a little part here. Still a golden colour though. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this is one of the most unique places I've been, like, for waterfalls.
Yeah, I wish we could have seen it all the golden color.
Yeah, but even like this, it's awesome.
Yeah, I love the little golden pathway as well. Really cool. So we're approaching the last waterfall of the trail now, called Cachoeira do Grito. That's a funny name, right? It means like waterfall of the scream.
Yeah, basically, but I don't know why. You need to go there and scream.
Yeah, maybe there's an echo or something. So this one's a huge open area. We've got like a pool there, got the falls over here going all the way down. And then there's a huge pool down there, and then I think there's another one up these steps that we'll check out. So this is the main big pool at the bottom. There's actually a huge fall here, I didn't see that. And even here it looks golden. I guess it's the kind of rock when it's wet makes this golden color reflection in the water. Golden waterfall, I've never been to golden waterfalls before. Yeah, so we're gonna take our final dip of the day here. This one looks awesome. The biggest falls yet. Look at that. I don't think you can even come here when it's raining, right? From what the guy said.
Yeah, the guys just told us that when it's rainy, the water goes up to that point there, so there's no waterfall, just water, everything.
Yeah, where we stood right now.
Yeah.
This would all be water, so apparently, yeah, all over here when it's raining. So there are no waterfalls or toads, I don't think. Not in this part. But it looks cool from down here, doesn't it? So this is the restaurant at the place where we did the trails. Got a really nice view at the back there of the lake of Capitolio. And I just got the beef like I keep getting lately. And then we got these beans here. Is that farofa?
Yeah, farofa.
Yeah? It's like a different style though.
Yeah, they mix it up with other things.
Yeah, and I think you said the beans are Minas style.
Yeah, feijão tropeiro.
Tropeiro.
That's the name of this style.
Oh, okay. And what did you get? Fish?
Yeah, tilapia.
Okay. Luis Vito got vegetarian. What is it? Eggs. And I don't know what that is. Palmito?
Palmito.
And then, it's o que? Carne?
Tilapia.
Oh, tilapia. Okay, there we go. A lot of food. So we've come to the lakefront in the town where we're staying. I didn't show you yet, but we're staying in this town right here. It's like a simple looking town. We're somewhere in the hill over there. And we came for the sunset, but I'm not sure if there's going to be much of a sunset. You can see the sun peeking through a little bit, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. And we also came to take Joey for a walk. He's been stuck in the house all day.
Yeah.
While we travel around.
Poor Joey.
Poor Joey. 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 Yeah, so we didn't get any sunset. Got a bit of a bird show though. Joey wanted to catch some birds, right Joey?
Yes.
Joey was on bird watch. And we're gonna be here 2 more days, so in the next video we're planning on renting a boat, and there's loads of boat tours here. I think that's the main thing to do, and it'll take you to loads of different attractions. There's some waterfalls that go into the lake here. I'm not sure if it's this exact lake, but yeah, there's loads of lakes around here. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So if you like this video, just drop a like to support us as usual. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.